Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video where today I will show you how to create a cinematic film look with black bars in After Effects, like in this example. So let's start. Drag your footage here, to create a new composition. Right-click in this area to create a new black solid. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the CC Jaws. Apply it to the solid you've just created. Go to its settings, and change height to 0%. And completion to 75%. Let's check our result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create film bars in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.